Okay, so we've got a 2014 Mercedes-Benz SLK250 convertible. It's the full hard roof, 24,000 kilometres only. The reverse parking sensors there. AMG alloy wheels, but as you can see, the vehicle is in excellent condition. No marks, chips, scratches or damage. Just a beautiful car. Take a look at the interior as well. So we've got two remote keys. We've got the Bluetooth connectivity, dual airbags, front and side, radio controls, and yeah, 24,825 the kilometres. Satellite navigation, big colour screen that. Bluetooth Connect, that's your CD radio, climate air conditioning, and yes, it's automatic. And the interior seat trim is leather, and that's all in excellent condition. No rips or tears, nice sports seats. Just a beautiful car inside and out. All inquiries are welcome, please give us a call.